I want to talk about working backwards in a case. I believe that the attorneys who've tried a lot of cases and have a lot of experience in the trial of cases work backwards. And what I mean by that is working clear back from the appeal. Because what the trial court can give, the appellate court can take it away. So they look at the reported appellate court cases to see which verdicts held up and which verdicts were overturned. They then work backwards to the jury instructions. What are the last words that the jurors are going to hear from the judge's mouth? Because for those of you who've tried cases, I know you've experienced this. You get up, you give a scintillating closing argument, and the judge, she starts reading the jury instructions, and it's like she's reading Portuguese. And you think to yourself, oh, I wish I'd addressed this. I wish I'd addressed that. So knowing what the last words that the jurors will hear in the courtroom helps frame your closing argument. Then they work backwards from the closing, through the evidence, into their opening statement. Now, for both opening statement and closing argument, I love the structure of threes. A famous minister who had compelling sermons was asked, why are your sermons so effective? And he said, because I give the sermon 3 times. I tell them what I'm going to tell them, then I tell them, then I tell them what I told them. And I will tell you that giving the jury the structure, or giving the judge the structure, aids in retention. In fact, even arguing in front of judges on motions, or arguing in front of juries on positions, if you tell them the structure that you're going to go through, and let me take it a step further, number the structure that you're going to go through, it is compelling. The brain processes words in one part, the brain processes numbers in another part. So when you say, Your Honor, there are 5 reasons why we ought to succeed on this motion, or ladies and gentlemen, there are 5 reasons why the defendant was negligent in this case. People have to work harder, their brains have to work harder, and it registers with them. They will remember those 5, they will know where you're going to start and where you're going to end, and it's a structure which helps them, and it also helps you.